Hi, today's episode is prepare my snowblower. For some reason it stopped to move forward. I think that the reason why it stop moving forward and reverse to it happens 1 year before, and it's pretty new snowblower, so for the warranty I have a new spare part for it, but it's tiring to change those parts if they don't work or last for longer. In a year I have this is the second time that I have to change that part, but we will see what I can find in it. And that is the patient. So let's get into it. Because I think that I know the reason what is wrong in there. I have this, or they give this new part as for the warranty. So let's get into it. First I have to open the a gearbox area. It's like a bottom of this bottom part of this snowblower. It's pretty easy to open. Okay, now it's open, and now I have to tilt this snowblower. Oh yeah, it's broken. Same as before. Let me show you. This ring has broken. This ring is tearing apart from this plate. Just same thing as before. It is irritating, as I said. It is totally design is failed. Next thing what I need to do is take this axle off. Like this. So, putting the new wheel on its place. Like this, you have to like there is this hole, and there is that pin what like a control what gear you have on that moment. So when you put this over there, you have to put that pin in there, and that is what I'm doing. Like this, the pin is in there right now, and then you need to put all together like this. It is pretty simple thing to do, but when this breaks down on the winter time and you have to do this job when there is a cold weather and raining snow and wind is blowing and everything is like a, sorry my words, but when everything is like a fucked up, it's not that nice to do. But clutch is like working like this, that from the handlebar comes this cable and it pulls this wheel against this. This is like a clutch, and the gear what you are using is like that this wheel like moves on the, like on this axle like this. You can see those marks over there, and when it's in here oversize of this plate or this clutch plate, it goes faster, and when it's go to the middle of this plate, it goes slower. And when you like want to connect the gear, you push that lever, and this comes to this, and this is turning all the time when the engine is running. So let's tighten this nut, and then there is like a test run. We have a very strange springtime here in Finland. Like for example, few weeks ago, even we had almost no snow at all. In one night, rained like 20 centimeters of snow, and we had like a winter again. So it's not nice at all. I don't like the winter at all. I would prefer warm water. Warm water. Yes, warm water in lakes, but I would prefer warm, like weather with sun and so on. And then one nut or one bolt to the other side, and then it's ready. Job done. Job done. And this is the part what like broke down. There is something wrong with the bearing too. But yeah. This came off from there. Yeah. Maybe it's fixable, but I need to think how to like make this like a work. Maybe I'm trying to weld it from here, like attacking it, but there is a like that that part of this welding that the heat will like burn this rubber off from this ring, but it's better than nothing. And maybe weld some support things in here too. It is amazing how they do such things, and I'm 100% sure that I am not the only one who is like dealing with this problem, and they don't do anything to change this. As I told, this is the second time in a year when this happened to me. But thanks for watching. As I have telling you like many times before, please give some thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. It means to me very much. It's very important for me and for my channel that I can like improve myself. So see you on the next video. Bye.